Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Right, AUDUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are trending down now. Okay, so we should go down this week. But I will still say don't trade dollar pairs in these times. Okay, you have too many other pairs. There are so many other pairs you can choose to trade. If you want to trade dollar pairs, then do it at your own risk, and you can use this analysis for nzdusd as well. I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. So coming back to daily chart, in weekly we are trying to go down, I guess. Okay, in weekly you could see this is your new downtrend pullback probably. This is your engulfing candle, rejection is coming. So in daily we are confused. Okay, so in AUDUSD we don't know what's going to happen, because you see this was your engulfing candle. Then today we touched the EMA, and now we are rejecting the EMA and forming a bullish hammer in AUDUSD. We'll have to see how this candle closes on 8th of October. Coming back to 4 hour, that's my entry timing, I guess. So this is your new downtrend, and then we are supposed to touch down this EMA, go up, touch this down, and then go below, because we have the bear signal here. So yes, looks like the price will come until this EMA in 4 hour and then reject it, then red candle, and then we'll go down. Okay, dollar is not predictable right now. It's being manipulated. So personally, I will not trade dollar pairs, but it's entirely up to you. So I think what has happened today, I think dollar will still go up. Okay, as per me, I think dollar will go up during this whole week, as per what I had seen today. And it's still confusing times. I don't trust dollar, so I will not trade dollar pairs personally. You can choose for yourself. For me, AUDUSD, look for shorts, especially coming back to 4 hour. Wait for the rejection from the EMA, and then you go down. So that's it for free. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, and join my free Telegram for sure. So join free Telegram, join brokers, check out the paid membership if you want some non-USD signals, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.